So I've been scrolling through TikTok getting inspired by all the amazing outdoor transformations, and it got me thinking, why not give my backyard a little refresh? But you know me, I'm all about doing it on a budget. Here are some of the TikTok videos that really resonated with me. I just love how cozy and inviting these backyards look. So today we're heading to Roses, which is a department store that's a treasure trove for affordable outdoor furniture and decor. I'm super excited to show you guys what they have in store and how you can update your space without breaking the bank. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's go on this budget-friendly decorating journey together. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so I'm at Roses. If you're looking for some outdoor stuff, this is the place to come. So, you know those little wicker, like grandma kind of sets, like the one I got from here a few years ago? They have 3-piece cushions for $29.99. You get all 3 pieces for $30. You cannot beat that with a stick, because if you go to At Home and try to get like the same style, it costs so much. Lots of different options for sure. The two that I'm going back and forth about right now are these. So I picked this setup, and I also picked up a solid black set. Kind of granny-ish. I'm so ready to upgrade. Y'all don't even understand. This set right here is 4 pieces for $200. You get the 2 chairs, the sofa, and the coffee table. But I think this year is going to be another year of just making things work. I painted mine black, so I wanted to see how that kind of looked, because I was considering painting my furniture white, because I want to go with a black and white theme in my backyard. Let's see how it looks up against white. See, up against white, I think that looks fabulous. I know a lot of us here like things that are a little bit more modern, so hi. So I'm going to show you a sets that are a little more modern. Now the cushions are kind of hard, but you can always upgrade these. This set is only $199. It's hard to pull this out with one hand, but it comes with the ottoman. Then you get 2 chairs and a table for $200. For $200, this could be super cute on a patio. And if you want something really, really modern, which I'm really digging this set, I think it's nice. I think it's really, really nice. Look at this. You get all 4 of these pieces for $299. Again, it's kind of hard, but it's comfortable. I always like to do this test where I can put my feet up. And I like that there's enough room where you can actually put your feet up with this. This is really, really nice. This is where you hook the propane tank up for the fire pit, which is really cool. And I love a fire pit. We have like a little bootleg one right now, so I'm like highly considering getting this. So cute. Put the rocks in there. You can put glass rocks in there if you want. Then there's the sofa, and there's 2 chairs. And I think honestly this would fit on my deck. So this is a little small, but it looks nice. It really does. So if you're looking for a quick little upgrade, this is probably it. And I like that you can put your drinks here, just have people over. I'm highly considering getting this. Also guys, they have these stackable chairs for $39.99. They have a really nice, sleek, modern look, and I like the fact that they don't take up a lot of space. I took one off so that you guys can see. But this would be great for a patio with a cute little table in between, especially if you have a covered patio. Look at that. $189. That's like the cheapest that I've seen them anywhere. Kind of plain but nice, especially if you have like an Airbnb, or you know, maybe you're just looking for something quick and easy where you can come outside on your patio in the morning, smoke a quick cig, keep it moving. $99. Also, these stackable patio chairs are nice. nice and uniform. And the thing about roses is you really have to get this stuff before it sells out, because once it sells out, it's gone. And I'm not just telling y'all that because I'm like, oh, come to Roses. You know how people make YouTube videos and they try to convince you to do things? Like, no. I shop here every year for outdoor stuff, and I'm telling you, if you do not get them ASAP, this stuff is gone. They have a solar powered light sign. I already bought one of those last year. Game changing if you're the type of person that orders like DoorDash. I personally don't. My kid does. And DoorDash can never find our house at night. And so that light up sign, phenomenal. I think I paid close to $40 for mine on Amazon. Now these are super cute. These are $39. How cute would this be on a front porch? So cute. I actually did get some from Roses. I enjoyed them so much. I had them for about 2 years before they completely faded, and I think 2 years was a good amount of time. Cute in the backyard. This would be cute on a front porch. The last thing I was looking at was this little barbecue pop-up gazebo. Now it is brown, but it's only $100. And I was thinking about getting this because I have like an inflatable hot tub, and currently it doesn't have like a covering. And so I put it out into the yard this year because that's where the surface is flat at. And so I was thinking about getting something like this for the hot tub, to cover the hot tub. And it has these extendable surfaces, which is cool because let's say like you just kind of want to get out of the shade. You can put this up. You can put this up and it creates an extra little like, you know, seating area where somebody could stand with drinks. But I like that it comes with the hooks on this side because you can hang towels. I can put my Bluetooth speaker up here. Now, it's not super, you see it's kind of wobbling. That's my only concern. Like if a storm's coming, there's no way to take this down. And I understand that this would be like a temporary structure because the inflatable hot tub is honestly temporary. I kind of wanted to test out the inflatable hot tub before purchasing like a real one. And honestly, it's not something that I use so often because it is a lot to keep clean. But I think an inflatable hot tub is a great way to see if that is something for you. Also, before I leave, I wanted to show you guys that they have the cutest variety of pots for such a great price. You can really customize these pots with spray paint if you want. A lot of them come in fun colors. They have a lot of ceramic pots on this side if that's more of your vibe. They also have these decorative deck tiles for $7.99. You get 4 in a pack. I don't know if you've seen them at IKEA, but they're, let's just say they're a lot more expensive there. I don't know about the quality of these, but these are pretty nice. Have a nice weight to them. And you could do a patio really inexpensively And that's a wrap for our little adventure to roses. I hope you enjoyed coming along and checking out all the affordable outdoor decor options. I am seriously considering that 4-piece outdoor furniture set with the amazing fire pit table. What do you think? Should I go for it? Let me know down in the comments. And here's a sneak peek of what's coming up in our next video. We're painting pavers for our new paver patio where our inflatable hot tub will rest. Yep, that's right. Last year we added a hot tub to our backyard oasis. It is so relaxing and amazing. But there's more to come on that. I can't wait to show you guys how we created these beautiful tile looks on our pavers. And take a look at our indoor seedlings. We're getting our garden started for the season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly decorating tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!